guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bhoomi and today for my very first video, I decided to film my everyday makeup routine. It's easy, it's fast, therefore perfect for all the college going girls just like me who like to keep things really quirky and quick at the same time. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching.
So the first step is the face wash. Here I'm using the Clean and Clear Morning Face Wash. It's perfect if you have oily or acne prone skin, and it does help brighten your face as well. I'm doing circular motions around my eyes, my cheeks, and guys, do not forget to include your neck as well when you're washing your face, because it's equally essential to do that. So after we have wiped that off and changed into better clothes, we moisturize. So here again I'm using the Clean and Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer, as I believe the face wash and the moisturizer complement each other really well and give me better results. So next up is the sunscreen and my holy grail product, Lotus Herbal Sunblock. I use the one with SPF 70. Now what I absolutely love about this product is that it's tinted, which means I can skip all those foundations, all the BB creams, and still have that natural coverage and glow to my skin. Time to put the lip balm, guys, and here I'm using our very own Maybelline Baby Lips. Now we move on to the brows. So I have naturally thick eyebrows with some gaps and sparse areas in between, which I like to fill in with the black eyeshadow to even everything out. As you can see, guys, it has instantly made my brows look so much better. I then use the brow gel to tame and comb the brow hair. I'm using the one from e.l.f. Now this is dual purpose with the transparent mascara on one end and the brow gel on the other. I'm repeating the same process with the other eye. First filling it in and then combing the hair, and we are done. As it gets really sweaty during summers, so I like to follow the sunscreen with a compact powder so as to just lock it all in. It's about time I untie my hair, but every time I do this, every time I remove the hairband, this is what normally and generally happens. Now earlier, every time I was under this situation, I used to straighten the hair using a flat iron, but that really damaged my hair, so this is what I've come up with now. Take the same hairband, wear it like a tiara on your forehead, and bring out the Cleopatra in you. And there we have it, perfectly straightened bangs with no heat, no flat iron. So apart from well-groomed brows, what really makes a difference is your lips. So to bring that hint of color to my face, I'm using a bright poppy pink color. I also like tinting my cheeks with my lip balm. Believe it or not, but accessories make a huge difference to your look. I love how these colorful jhumkis have helped put the look together. And I'm ready to slay.
So that is it for today. I hope you all liked the video. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it among your girlfriends. And I have a series of videos lined up, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And till then, take care, have a good time, bye.